to my YouTube channel! Maria is back and again and again and again and again! Dahil may bago po tayong video ngayon, ito, pasok! At saka mga friendship, pasensya na kayo. Ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog dahil it's lockdown here in Bahrain and wala tayong mapuntahan. Na-miss kong mag-vlog at na-miss ko kayo ng bonggang-bongga. Tagal talaga tayong hindi nakapag-vlog. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo paano gumamit ng foot mask. Yan. First time ko pong magpo-foot mask at ipapakita ko po sa inyo. Dahil hindi ako familiar sa foot mask. Okay? I'm always using face mask to my face. But really, this one, it's really interesting. So, they call this one Ultra Repairing Foot Mask with apricot. So they said here that it's newly designed socks type mask repairs rough dry feet with apricot and zea butter. It's so interesting. So first we need to do is wash your feet with warm water. And second, open the packet and wear foot mask. After 20 to 30 minutes, put a foot mask, you need to wash the feet again. So, let's try and check her out! So, yan mga friendship. Kakaugas lang natin with warm water. Yan. Hugasan ko siya ng warm water. Kailangan natin siyang punasan mabuti ang ating paa. Bago natin ilagay ang sock foot mask sa ating foot. So, sabi sa instruction, wash your feet with warm water. Yan. Kakahugas lang natin ang ating paa with warm water. And second, open the packet and wear the foot mask. Then, after 20 to 30 minutes, put off the foot mask. You need to wash the feet again. So, we are on second step. We need to open this. It smells so good. I'm so excited to use it. This is my first time. Oh, yeah. See? It looks sock. But it's white color. And it's wet. See? So, this is up here. So, this is for the left and right foot. So, let's try and check it out. Let's wear it. So, ang foot mask, it's good for the dry feet and kung marami kayong kalyo-kalyo sa inyong paa. So, let's check and put to our feet. First time ko din itong ita-try. So, interesting. Oh, it smells so good. See? Para siyang medyas. Oh. See? So, nusot na natin sa ating left. Next is into our it's good feeling. So nice. It's so wet inside. Yan. ang kanyang itsura. This is the left. And this is the right. So, yan. Nakababad na ang ating paa sa foot mask. So, kailangan natin siyang ibabad ng 20 to 30 minutes. Yan, para mawala ang ating kalyo-kalyo. Yan, ganyan ang itsura niya. Parang medyas talaga siya. So, ibabad natin siya at tayo'y mag-relax. So, mag-set tayo ng alarm ng 20 to 30 minutes bago natin tanggalin ang foot mask at i-check natin kung it will help to remove our dry feet and rub and repair the rubs ang ating kalyo-kalyo sa paa. So, let's check her out! Yan po, ang aking gamit is ang Ultra Repairing Foot Mask. Mga presyo, tanggalin na natin siya. Oh, see? Nawala nga ang ating mga kalyo-kalyo. Yan. Tanggalin natin ang ating isirin. Normal, yan. Nawala siya. This looks good. Mga friendship, totoo siya nawala ang ating mga kalyo-kalyo. Lumambot siya at nawala ang ating dry feet. So, effective siya for 1 day at nakakalambot ng sako. Yeah, mga friendship, dito na magtatapos ang ating vlog for today. I hope you not get bored watching this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to press the red button, subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell button to be updated to all my new video. And please don't forget to like, share, and leave your comment below. And see you all to my next vlog.